Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest save failed problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest save failed problem on the application of Pinterest, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. Then in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Then you should to go to first stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.